From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, definitely a stormy, kind of gloomy day across Acadiana. Now, some of us still dealing with the rainfall late this evening, some heavy rainfall at that, but I think most of the rain is going to start to come to an end for all of us a little bit later on tonight. Dense fog, the main issue in the short term by tomorrow morning. And then this front is going to kind of get tangled up across the area. So the pattern staying somewhat unsettled and also is going to provide some difficulty in that temperature forecast. So we'll take a look at it all in just a second. But first, here's a satellite radar composite, kind of what we have going on late this evening. And again, our front has stalled out across northern Acadiana, and that is where we're seeing kind of this thin line of showers and storms slowly pushing from the southwest to the northeast. Now notice it's not raining across all of Acadiana. Lafayette on southeastward, we are relatively quiet, but still tracking some heavy precipitation here across western parishes. Now in Acadia Parish here, heavy rain continues from Crowley extending northward into Church Point as well. Some lightning embedded within some of these storms as they slowly push off to the north and east. Meanwhile, further to the north, again, heavy rain continues in St. Landry Parish from Sunset up to Port Barre, Opelousas, the heaviest of the precipitation now east of you, but Palmetto and over towards Krotz Springs, the rain starting to approach from the west here. Melville, you're getting in on some heavy rainfall really right along that Highway 71 corridor. And again, this thin line slowly moving to the northeast. So wouldn't be surprised if there's at least some isolated flash flooding occurring in spots simply because our grounds are already so saturated from the rainfall we've seen earlier today. But we're going to keep an eye on that over the next couple of hours. But regardless, I think by about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, the bulk of the rainfall should start to come to an end here in Acadiana. Otherwise, a lot of low-level clouds out there by tomorrow morning, some patchy, dense fog as well. So be on the lookout for that. We're going to start out mid-60s. Now that front, again, gets tangled up across the area. So we're looking at a lot of cloud cover for our Monday, maybe a few showers, but rain chances only at around 30%. And we are going to see some differences in temperatures. Again, slightly cooler to the north, slightly warmer to the south. We're going to go for a projected high here in near 70 here in Lafayette tomorrow. But again, that is going to fluctuate across depending on where you are in Acadiana. The front may dip far enough to the south to allow us to cool off a little bit further Tuesday morning. Most of us low to mid 50s, and then we're still looking at a lot of clouds throughout Tuesday. Again, a few showers possible. Rain chances, though, continuing to only settle in to around, we'll say 30 to 40%. And your high temperatures ranging anywhere from the low to mid 50s to the north to potentially upper 60s and lower 70s over towards St. Mary Parish. So again, it's strictly going to depend on where that front kind of sets up each and every day, and thus giving us temperature forecasting headache here in the weather lab. Now tonight, again, mid 60s for those overnight low temperatures, and then again, a lot of clouds throughout our Monday. Notice those highs, lower 60s, Ville Platte, upper 50s, and Alexandria. We'll go near 70 here in Lafayette, off to the south and east as well. And then again, that front may dip far enough to the south to allow us to drop into the low to mid 50s Tuesday morning, and then again, temperatures definitely varying here across all of Acadiana Tuesday afternoon. Low to mid 50s to the north, upper 60s to lower 70s over towards Morgan City. Again, in the short term, a little bit later on tonight, patchy dense fog definitely looking likely across a good part of Acadiana, so just keep that in mind for the early morning commute. 64 your projected low temperature tonight. Again, still dealing with some scattered thunderstorms out there, mainly for areas north of the I-10 corridor, but I think the rain comes to an end for most of us after about 1 to 2 o'clock in the morning. 70 your high in Lafayette tomorrow, but again, it's just going to kind of depend where you are in Acadiana. All of us, though, seeing a good amount of cloud cover. A few passing showers, but your rain chances, again, only at around 30%. And that's the way it's going to go Tuesday into Wednesday, with temperatures pretty much split across the region. So just kind of keep that in mind. But rain chances do look to peak on Thursday, as finally that front is going to be pushing south of the area. And then thereafter, we're looking at some nicer and cooler weather for the end of the week and heading into the upcoming weekend. Taylor.
Thanks, Bradley. Something to look forward to.
Yeah, I think next weekend is definitely going to be looking nicer than this weekend for sure.
Good stuff. I'm excited for that.
Yep.
Thank you.